G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got a bit of a different video today. I got this drone, right? And I want to see if I can solve a cube while recording on the drone. So I'm flying it, it's up in the air. I got to solve the cube. We'll see how long it takes. I'm in a pretty open park at the moment, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I'm not that good at flying this thing yet, so it'll be interesting to see how we go. I'm just gonna set it up and then we'll get started. Okay, so I've got the drone here, controller here. We're gonna try and take lift off and then we'll see if we can solve a cube with it. All right. My bad guys, I didn't actually put the battery in. All right, this should work. Oi, all right. There it is. Let's go. Alrighty, so this is my first attempt. As you can see, the camera's not the best and the frame rate's pretty terrible, so I'm just going to talk over this part because it actually doesn't have any audio either. But as you can see, I'm sort of trying to follow it along. I got my cube and I'm trying to find out what to do because I don't really actually know how I'm going to do this because I didn't really want to just solve it one-handed. So I decided to land this one, put it down and try it again. So I'm going to hold it a little bit differently this time, meaning that I can put the controller down and then I'll sort of stabilize it in place just like this and we'll start. So as you can see, I'm going now, solving the cube. It's a little bit hard to see, but it was scrambled and you can see that I'm moving it. The drone's sort of flying away at the moment and I haven't even really noticed until now. And it almost hit this tree. Luckily it actually didn't, because that would have been pretty bad. But yeah, as you can see, solved, and I've got to go run and get the controller. But yeah, I managed to safely put it down, and there we go. So yeah, I did it. Mission accomplished. So this is just more footage I took of the day. I was trying to get it as high as I could, but ended up almost crashing into a tree. And then I think, yeah, I actually crashed into a tree this time. As you can see, it was quite windy, so it wasn't the easiest to fly, but I did a pretty good job. But this one, I actually got really high up. This one was really cool because I could see over the top of all the buildings and over the trees, and you could actually see quite far. So there you go. There's like a school over there or something. Yeah, so I'm going to take this out a bit more, give it another try. But yeah, I was glad I managed to actually do the challenge. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.